Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video gonna talk about how to turn off comments on all YouTube videos. So let's get started. And to turn off comments, we're gonna use Google Chrome. And of course, you can use any browser you want. So go to the search bar and write YouTube. Now press and hold till this pop up and open it in a new tab and group. Now move to YouTube from below and activate the desktop site by tap on these three dots and choose desktop site. Now tap on your channel's picture and make a long press on YouTube Studio and open it in a new tab and group. Now move to YouTube Studio from below then tap on your channel's content. Here a list of all the videos you've posted will appear. Now tap on these options to select all videos. Only 13 videos will selected when you tap on this option. So if you've posted more than 13 videos, tap on select all. And like that, all videos will be selected. Now tap on edit. And any changes you've made will apply to all videos. So choose comments. As you see here, all comments are allowed by default. Now to turn off comments, tap on disable comment, then update videos. Then confirm. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.